Welcome back to Auto 786, the channel where we bring you the latest, fastest, and most luxurious cars from around the world. Today, we are diving into one of the most powerful luxury sedans in the world, the 2025 Porsche Panamera Turbo S. This car is not just about speed or performance. It's about creating a perfect balance between thrilling driving dynamics and everyday usability, wrapped in a design that shouts pure Porsche DNA. So let's take a closer look at what makes this Panamera Turbo S a true masterpiece. At first glance, the 2025 Panamera Turbo S looks both familiar and refreshed. Porsche has not gone crazy with the design. Instead, they have fine-tuned it to perfection. The sleek silhouette remains, but the lines are sharper, the stance is more aggressive, and the overall presence is stronger than ever. The wider front grille, matrix LED headlights, and sculpted hood give it a commanding look, while the rear is dominated by Porsche's signature light strip that stretches across the tailgate, connecting the stunning LED taillights. It's elegant, but at the same time it has that sports car edge that reminds you this is no ordinary luxury sedan. Under the hood lies the real magic. The 2025 Panamera Turbo S comes with a 4.0-liter twin-turbocharged V8 engine. This beast produces an astonishing 650 horsepower and 660 pound-feet of torque. With this kind of power, the Panamera Turbo S rockets from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 3 seconds flat, making it one of the fastest luxury sedans in the world. The top speed? A breathtaking 196 miles per hour. Power is delivered through Porsche's 8-speed dual-clutch PDK transmission, ensuring lightning-fast gear changes and buttery-smooth performance at any speed. Of course, a Porsche isn't just about raw numbers. Handling is where the Panamera Turbo S truly shines. Equipped with Porsche Active Suspension Management, adaptive air suspension, and rear axle steering, this car handles like a proper sports car, even though it has 4 doors and space for the family. It grips the road with confidence, corners with precision, and gives the driver a sense of control that very few cars in this segment can match. The standard all-wheel drive system ensures power is distributed perfectly, giving you traction in all conditions. Step inside, and you are greeted with one of the most luxurious and tech-packed cabins on the market. Porsche has designed the interior to blend sportiness with supreme comfort. High-quality leather, aluminum, and carbon fiber accents are everywhere. The driver-focused cockpit features a curved digital display, a massive central touchscreen, and touch-sensitive controls that make the cabin look futuristic yet functional. The Panamera Turbo S also offers ventilated and massaging seats, 4-zone climate control, and an optional Burmester 3D surround sound system that transforms the cabin into a concert hall. One of the highlights of the 2025 model is the improved Porsche Communication Management System, which now offers even faster responses. Wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and advanced voice recognition. Navigation is seamless, and over-the-air updates ensure the system always stays fresh. The Panamera is also loaded with driver assistance features, such as adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, night vision, and even Porsche InnoDrive, which optimizes your drive by predicting road conditions ahead. Even though performance is the main highlight, Porsche hasn't forgotten efficiency. Thanks to cylinder deactivation and improved turbocharging, the Panamera Turbo S manages to offer decent fuel economy for its class. And for those who want an even greener option, Porsche continues to offer plug-in hybrid versions within the Panamera lineup. The 2025 Panamera Turbo S is a car that blends supercar performance with luxury sedan comfort. It's a machine that lets you take your family on a road trip in supreme comfort, then hit the track on the weekend and leave sports cars in the dust. Very few cars in the world can offer this dual personality, and that's what makes the Panamera Turbo S so special. If you're looking for a car that does it all, the 2025 Porsche Panamera Turbo S is hard to beat. It is fast, it is luxurious, it is practical, and above all, it is a Porsche. That's it for today's review on Auto 786. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the 2025 Porsche Panamera Turbo S, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon so you never miss out on the latest car reviews. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.